Okay, so I'm going to attempt to do the Uncivil War strumming pattern. I was going to just upload a video that kind of gave it to you from the Epcot, but it's taking forever, so maybe this will be faster. So for the verses, he's doing G, D, E, and C. And so that would be played like with your ring finger and pinky on the last two strings on the 3rd fret, and then your middle finger on the 1st string on the 3rd fret, and then your index finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. That's G. And so then you just move your 2 fingers down, both of them. So this would go to the 3rd string, this one would go to the 2nd string, and that's C. And then E, you would put your index finger back on the 2nd string, and your middle finger would be on the 3rd string. All while maintaining these 2 guys. So it would be, and then just a regular D, which is played like this with your index on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and your middle on the last string, 6th string, 2nd fret. Ring finger stays the same. I switched my middle on my index. Okay, so then the strum pattern that everybody's looking for is you're going to always hit with your thumb or your pick on the root key that you're playing, or on the root string of the key that you're playing, I guess. So this is a G, and so you would actually hit that first, and whenever you go play the C, you would hit that one first, and the E, and then the D would be the open 3rd string. Open 3rd string. Okay, so then it's just pick. Of course, I'm using the finger method, so my index finger on my right hand is on the 4th string. Middle finger's on the 5th, rings on the 6th. If you're picking it, you would just pick. So here we go. Alright, so that's how it's strummed. So it goes pick, strum. And it's pick, up, down, up. So it plays like this. And then he goes into the verse. The chorus is just strummed. Over and over again. And then when you go into the bridge, it's like same as the chorus, just faster. I hope that helps.